very warm good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. This is me Anamika of class 12. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today, 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure the future is bright for all of us. The first and foremost thing that comes to my mind when I speak about Teachers' Day is the seniors dressing up as their favorite teachers and teaching the students of the lower classes. And I hope it's gonna be the same with everyone out there. Now we are not in a position to celebrate Teachers' Day in that manner. We have digitalized everything. Welcome to the virtual Teachers' Day celebration of Army Public School, Kannur 2021. Let me take this opportunity to pay gratitude to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the Principal of APS Kannur to share a few words on this auspicious occasion.
From Gurukul system to classroom education to online classrooms, we have come a long way. The education system has evolved itself to a new normal in this pandemic situation. In the initial days of lockdown, the acute need of teachers was felt in handholding the students for imparting education as well as for inculcating the life skills. Whatever be the education system, teachers' role can never be undermined. They are the key operators in transforming the society by molding the children in the right manner, by inculcating the core values of life. A truly committed teacher can influence a child throughout his or her life. On this Teachers' Day, which is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I thank all the teachers for their dedication, commitment and contribution to this school, which truly has helped in bringing laurels to this institution. Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I, Rajat Kumar. Thank you very much, ma'am, for enlightening our mind. Once, a great man said that I am indebted to my parents for living, but to my teachers for living well. Our gurus are epitome of knowledge and ethics. At the same time, they are loving and caring too. So here comes the most endearing gift for our mentors when our classmate Dyuti turns up to speak about the best teaching memories and qualities of our teachers. Please welcome Dyuti.
Good morning to one and all. Today, I, Dyuti, standing here to express my deepmost obeisance to the community of teachers all over the world. This day is the birthday of great philosopher Dr. Radhakrishnan. He had been a great professor, philosopher and president of our nation. He had been a great master who claimed students and disciples all over the world. So remembering him, today we celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers are great innovators who generate creative energy within their disciples. Like the sun of the solar system, they emit light, instill energy, and generate creative talents within their students. They kindled our imaginations, they burnished our willpower and promoted self-confidence, and they gave wings to our longings. Like the pearls extracted from the oyster, teachers explore the inborn talents hidden within a child and revolutionize by magnification and motivation. But today, due to the pandemic which people are facing all over the world, we are under self-imposed confinement. Our sentimental bond with our teachers had been holy, but this detachment is painful. Our minds are longing for the reunion which we had during the pre-pandemic days. So wishing so, and today being Teachers' Day, on behalf of my friends and colleagues, I here express my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers who are individually unique and incomparable. We can't distinct the 9 gems as they are equally important and equally precious. And this dimension is aptly applicable to all our teachers. At last, I want to conclude my speech by saying some words to my teachers. The way you tell, the love you show, and the care you take makes you the world's best teacher. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, Dyuti, for your delightful speech. Now I'm sure that all of us must have got an idea on why Teachers' Day is celebrated. It's a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers on why are they special to them. We have only been hearing speeches so far, so why don't we make this event a bit more interesting? We have got a bunch of enthusiastic tiny tots who are ready to shower their bliss upon the teachers. Let's take a look into a small presentation done by our juniors.
Now let's move on to our next program. There was a time when meadow, grove and stream, the earth and every common sight to me did seem apparent in celestial light, the glory and freshness of a dream. It is not now as it hath been of yore, turn wheresoever I may, by night or day, the things which I have seen I now can see no more. Perhaps the greatest truth in the universe is that nothing is permanent. Time passes by. Good or bad, happy or sad, it passes by. And what it leaves behind are memories. So here's a nostalgic video which will jug up our memories of our old school.
That was quite a nostalgic video, right? The techies of our class have done a great job in preparing the video. I'm sure that it took all of us down the memory lane. There's a saying that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, but it's the teacher who molds the personality of the child. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge and education are the basis of all things that can be accomplished in our lives. Next on the list, we have a speech in Hindi by one of the orators of our class. Friends, please welcome Preet of class 12.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। माता पिता की मूरत है गुरु, इस कलयुग में भगवान की सूरत है गुरु। सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम प्रीत कुमार, कक्षा 12वीं का छात्र आपके समय से छोटा सा भाषण प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक आप और मैं बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, शिक्षक दिवस। शिक्षक का एक छात्र के जीवन में बहुत बड़ा योगदान होता है। यह तो हम सभी जानते हैं कि गुरु ही अपने छात्र को सही दिशा पर चलने का मार्ग बताते हैं। कामयाबी तक तो हर कोई पहुंचना चाहता है, पर वह एक गुरु ही होता है जो हमें कामयाबी तक पहुंचने के लिए सीढ़ियां और उस पर चलते जाना एक गुरु ही सिखाता है। हमारे देश में हर वर्ष 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन, जो कि भारत के पूर्व उपराष्ट्रपति भी थे, उनका शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बहुत बड़ा योगदान था। जब वह उपराष्ट्रपति बने तब उनके कुछ दोस्तों व छात्रों ने कहा क्यों ना उनका जन्मदिन मनाया जाए। इस पर डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन ने कहा उनको बहुत खुशी होगी कि उनके जन्मदिन की जगह शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाए। बस उस दिन के बाद से हर वर्ष 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में घोषित कर दिया गया और शिक्षक दिवस मनाने जाने लगा। इस दिन हम उन्हें याद करने के साथ साथ सभी शिक्षकों का सम्मान व धन्यवाद करते हैं। भारत के साथ साथ पूरे विश्व के लोग शिक्षक दिवस मनाते हैं। यूनेस्को के द्वारा साल 1994 5 अक्टूबर को विश्व शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में घोषित कर दिया गया। उस दिन के बाद से पूरे विश्व के लोग 5 अक्टूबर को विश्व शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। हमें हमेशा अपने शिक्षकों को सम्मान व प्रेम देना चाहिए, क्योंकि वह शिक्षक ही होता है जो हमें कामयाब बनाते हैं। माता पिता तो अपने बच्चों की प्यार व उनकी देखभाल करते हैं, पर वह शिक्षक ही होता है जो हमें सफलता की सीढ़ियों तक पहुंचने में हमारी मदद करता है। इस दिन छात्र अपने गुरु यानी शिक्षकों का सम्मान करते हैं, तो वहीं शिक्षक गुरु शिष्य परंपरा को हमेशा कायम रखने का संकल्प लेते हैं। और कबीर दास जी ने भी गुरु के बारे में एक बहुत ही सुंदर दोहा लिखा है, जो कि मैं आप सबके सामने स्पष्ट करना चाहूँगा। गुरु गोविंद सिंह तो खड़े काके लागू पाए, गुरु गोविंद सिंह तो खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए। धन्यवाद।
लेट्स मूव ऑन। जिंदगी की राह यूं आसान ना होती, मेरी इस कदर ये शान ना होती, मेरा सब कुछ है मेरे गुरु, वो ना होते तो मेरी ये पहचान ना होती। We will now listen to Nandana. She is going to sing a song in her melodious voice.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers who have been mentoring us, guiding us and inspiring us every single day. And on this day, I would like to thank them for making us what we are today. So here now, I would like to dedicate a song for them. So here it goes.
Nandana, that was a melodious note. That song was filled with gratitude. I would like to extend my gratitude to all teachers for their selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. We may not be able to say this every day, but your inspirational words are like beautiful footprints that are etched in our minds and hearts forever. Let's welcome one of the most proactive students of our class, Farsi, to recite a poem on this special day.
Morning to all my friends and teachers. Today, all over India, we celebrate Teachers' Day. On this day, students all over India express their gratitude towards their teachers. I, Farsi Mohammed KP of class 12B of APS, would like to express my gratitude towards all my teachers by reciting a small poem. The poem goes like this. From the depths of slumber I arise, into the world so wide. Only my teacher have been my guide. They worried like fathers and they have forgiven us like mothers. And we, their children, have made many mistakes. But to err is human and to forgive is divine. They have helped us whenever things weren't fine. Today, as I stand at the threshold of a new life, I stop to look at the place where I once stood, where my teachers taught me to be good. I was called, I was punished, and the strange reasons I always furnished. I often wondered why teachers scolded us, what was their basic need. But today, I know the value of their teachings, their words of wisdom, and their preachings. Now, at this stage, I wish I could turn over the pages. So many years have finished in the blink of an eye, and now I don't have the heart to say goodbye. Thank you.
One of the known ways of conveying our emotions and giving our goodwill is by presenting greeting cards. So, here we have handwritten messages in decorative cards from our students expressing their gratitude towards our teachers.
That was a beautiful work of creativity indeed. Thank you so much, friends. And now I proudly present before you some of the finest singers of class 12, Commerce and Science. Here we go.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आई पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आई पहली बार, थामी हमारी अपनी उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम तक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं।
वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् आग हमारे अंदर पर वो जोत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाती है, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं।
तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार,